Hi everybody, this is Mr. Jason and welcome to Fun Fridays Drawing with me. Today, as always, you're going to need a pencil, an eraser if you like to get rid of some mistakes, paper. Today we're going to draw landscape, wide, not as tall. And after the lesson, if you want to color it, you'll need something to color in the drawing, be it colored pencils, crayons, markers, or whatever you want to use. Okay, we're going to get started. Again, I recommend using a pencil and eraser in case you need to take care of some mistakes. I'm going to draw with this marker just because it shows up on the camera a little bit better. I'm hoping that you'll recognize these monsters pretty soon. We're going to start with the first one. It's going to be on the left side of the paper, this side. We're going to start a little bit up from the bottom, and we're going to draw a couple of curved lines that kind of come to a point. One over here, and one over here. Between these two, we're going to draw a large, basically it's going to look like the letter U, but it's going to curve a little bit to the right. I'll show you what I mean. Draw a large U shape between these two. And we're going to curve a little bit to the right. And this little space where it didn't quite connect, if you have anything like that, just close that up. Give it a few moments. Also, teachers can pause if needed. We have a big gap right here. We're going to draw another kind of a wide U shape. You'll see what I mean when we finish. I'm going to draw that shape. At the bottom of this shape, we're going to draw some teeth. They're just going to be kind of triangular shapes, except a little rounded. Just a few of them. Actually, 3 or 4 should be enough. We're going to draw one of the creature's fins coming down this way. It's going to be kind of a curved shape that comes to a point, sort of like what we did down here. This one's going to come down and then kind of curve back up. One on the other side, starting at about the same point. Sorry, I'm right-handed, so my hand's going to be in the way. We're going to draw a diagonal line. And then a straight line. But we're going to leave this part here open because this creature is going to be holding something. And notice that I didn't bring it all the way back to this U. We're going to leave that space open a little bit as well. What we're going to do now is, inside this mouth area here, we need to draw a face. So we're going to draw where this tooth is, on the side of it, we're going to draw a curved line up. And on the other side, same thing. Start on this farthest tooth, curved line up. Draw a smile. So those are 2 curved lines. They smile in between. Right above this, we're going to draw a nose. And nose, the best way to draw a nose is draw a little straight line. Bring that a little bit closer so you can see what that is. A little straight line. Next to that, 2 little curved lines. And then 2 little curved lines at the bottom. So straight line, curved line, little curved line for a cute little button nose. I'm going to draw a Curved line for an ear, curved line for an ear. Then we're going to draw her eyes. For her eyes, we're going to draw this shape on both sides. Can you see those curved lines? Underneath those, straight lines. And inside that, circles. Inside the circle, a dot. So curved line, straight line, circle, circle, dot, dot. Give her some eyebrows. We're going to do them at those diagonals because she's having fun. She's not trying to be a scary monster. You're going to come over to where these ears are. Diagonal line, diagonal line. You're going to come up above the eyebrows. And you're going to connect from this line to this line. Every now and then, just draw a point up. So straight line, point up, straight line, point up, and then connect. Off the side of where we drew this diagonal line, we're going to draw two ponytails, one on each side, so just an angle, and then connect those with a little point somewhere on each side. She's starting to look familiar. Now, do you see where this line is? We're going to draw up to where the ponytail is, and then stop, and then continue up. On this other side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go up, stop, and then continue up. It should be about the same distance. It was a little too short. Across this top, we're going to draw zigzag. So we're going to go zigzag all the way across. Curve up. Two lines on each, or actually two antenna looking things on each side, and then connect them with a curved line. On the ends of those antenna looking thingies, draw round shapes and dots. Oops. And then where these diagonal lines are right here, we're just going to come up and finish the mouth and come down and add some teeth. Our first monster is just about done. Across the belly, curved lines. Over next to her is going to be her friend. We're going to draw a large pear shape. It does not have to be perfect. Just draw a large pear shape. The bottom of the pear, we're going to draw the leg and some feet. It's going to be a normal foot with some zigzags for toes. Over here, same thing. Draw a leg, two lines side by side that bend, and a similar foot. Come down, zigzag. I'm wondering if you've guessed who this is yet. We're going to draw an arm. Sorry, my right-handedness is in the way, but it's just like the leg. Two lines, they bend, and then we draw a hand. Diagonal line, diagonal line, diagonal line, curved line, straight line. And in this top part of the diagonal line, draw two lines for fingers, and then the palm of the hand. Other side, this arm's going to go down. Line, line, mirror it, which means draw the same thing. Diagonal line, diagonal line, connect them. Curved line, straight line. Two lines for the fingers. This time we're not going to do that last line because this is the top of his hand. Bottom of the hand, you're going to see that line. Top of the hand, not so much. Inside this large pear shape, smile. So draw a couple of curved lines. Connect them on the top with a nice smile curved line. Big happy face curved line. And then a little bit of a lip. Sharp teeth all across the top. Kind of curved triangles. I'm going to draw some on the bottom too, but not as many. A little bit less. Inside this mouth, curved line, stop. Halfway up this, draw another curved line. That's a tongue in the background. Now in this space, curved line for the corners of his eye. I think I just gave away who it is. Big curved line for the bottom part of his eye. Curved line for the top part of his eye. And an eyebrow that comes up and around the top. In the middle of this space, a circle. I know I'm going really fast, but hopefully your teachers are pausing so people can stay caught up. Now in this circle, draw a teeny circle, and then a circle that goes around it, and color in the larger part. The last step for this critter is Mike Wazowski has some horns. Well, Mike and Boo have to be standing on something, so let's draw the floor. Straight line across, stop where Boo is, pick it up on the other side, stop where Mike is, draw again, stop, pick it up, all the way across the page. Now they're standing somewhere. The very last step is, what is Boo holding? Now, I know there's people that celebrate Halloween and there's people that don't celebrate Halloween, so I'm going to draw a pumpkin in her hand. However, if you don't celebrate Halloween, this is just a picture of Monsters Incorporated. You could have her holding a pot with a flower in it or anything you want. But really quickly, we're going to draw a pumpkin. It's just kind of an oval shape. There's a stem at the top. It's curved. A couple of curved lines that go the whole distance of the pumpkin. And then you get to draw whatever kind of pumpkin face you want. Color it in with your pencils or your pen. And that is our special Halloween picture of Monsters Incorporated. Happy Halloween. All right, I'll see you next week.